I am too tired to start Neuron up to showcase this, so you just have to trust me that it works. Because I've already tested it many, many times and had many, many failures, but it finally worked. Um, she can now do function calling. And not only that, but she can also, or it's like, I don't have to restart her. So if I were to start her up, which this is her, she's a server. So if I were to run her, I then have the tools are actually saved to, oh god, what the fuck even is this shit, dude? Move to recycle bin. I don't know what it is, but it's useless. Anyways, so yeah, this is the client side of things, and I can show it off a little bit if I just, oh yeah, I have to comment out some things so that it doesn't yell at me. God damn it. Okay. So now if I do application, so if I do like app equals application, and then do like app dot main loop, we should see that if I run this, it should just pop up. Yeah. So this thing works pretty much when the AI, when I speak, this will light up white. So it's gray right now. It'll change to white. This patience thing, it starts at 0 and ticks all the way down to 0. When it reaches 0, that means that there has been 60 straight seconds of no talking. And therefore, Neuro will just continue the conversation. So instead of Neuron having to wait for somebody to talk to her, she will continue the conversation even if nobody talks to her. And then these other ones are pretty self-explanatory. When she's thinking, this one lights up. When she is speaking, this one lights up. And now from the control panel, all of these are things that I can turn off and on. So I can make her brain dead. I could make her deaf, and I can make her mute. And then I can also say, oh yeah, I don't want you to be able to use image fetching right now, or I haven't set this one up to actually function yet, but I could say, I don't want you to be able to read Twitch chat anymore, and then I can turn that one off. And this looks disgusting at the moment. I need to fix it. I don't know why it looks like this. I don't know why this shit is offset. It is, and I hate it. But anyways, then we have this little button called Update Tools, and what that one does is, this is the genius of it, which I don't need that button actually. I can get rid of it. It's completely unnecessary. So all of the tools are run on the client side instead of being on the fuck off instead of being on the server side of things. So yeah, instead of, and the reason I did that is so theoretically, if I wanted to, I can now run her, and then while I'm running her, if I decide that I want to give her a tool to use, like let's say in the middle of a stream, I'm like, I don't want to restart her, but I want to give her a new tool. I want to give her a soundboard. I can then easily just shut down the client real fast. I can then, go to tools, code up the tool, and then just add it into here and whatnot. It's obviously a lot more in depth than just doing something real fast. It's not fast at all. But since I still have to code everything. But it's better than having to turn her all the way off. Because this way, while I'm coding an ability for her, she can just continue talking. And, doing her thing or whatever. So yeah, I was planning on adding Twitch tools as well, like allowing her to create polls and ban people and whatnot. But that's complicated. I'm not even kidding. It's actually just really fucking complicated, and I don't feel like doing it. But yeah, so she also has the ability to DM people on Blue Sky and create posts on Blue Sky. This is either a great idea or a terrible idea. We'll find out. But anyways, actually going back to the Blue Sky stuff, I need to make sure. Okay, yeah, name and then post only needs text. So yeah, that checks out. But now what I need to do is inside of here. This is fun. I now need to go through and fix this one on up. So we need to say, I need to add a switch for Blue Sky at some point, but I'm not going to do that right now. So yeah, this is pretty much what I would do. I would just do this and then name equals equals, and we go back here, DM Blue Sky. So if name equals that, then args equals value parameters result equals DM. Or no, I called it message. Send message. There we go. And now we do text equals args. That's art. Args. Fuck me. Text. Comma. That's not how you spell recipient, is it? I'm just now realizing I think I spelled that wrong. Recipient. No, that is how you spell it. That's a stupid ass spelling. I've been staring at words for too fucking long, okay? So, like, cut me some slack here when it comes to me being stupid. I'm not even kidding you. I've been trying to get this to work for too damn long. That's how long it's been. Too damn long. And we're just gonna say true. Oh, I have to do enabled equals true. There we go. Since I don't feel like adding in the switch at the moment. But yeah, there we go. So yeah, now she will be able to DM people on Blue Sky whenever she wants. She can also, you know, make a post on Blue Sky whenever she wants. Of course, the thing is with like functions and whatnot, getting the AI to actually use the functions without being prompted to use a function is difficult. It's impressive that Vettel made AIs that are such assholes. You know? But yeah. So yeah, I'll probably I was waiting to, you know, upload all of my code that I have here to GitHub, since most of it up until this point was just. Is this it? Nope. Oh, I still need to fuck around with that. Anyways, most of it was just, yeah, this dude, Kim Jammer. It was pretty much just this guy's code that I copy and pasted and changed around a little bit. The only real addition I did was my client, and for a while the client wasn't actually useful in any way. So I was, you know, hesitant to upload any of this because it just felt wrong, since it would pretty much just be re-uploading somebody else's code and acting like it's mine. I mean, I was planning on crediting the dude, you know, I was gonna add the credits. I was gonna like at the very top of the little page right here, the readme. I was just gonna say, yeah, uh, this is based off of heavily based off of this other guy's thing. Uh, but yeah, now that I have done quite a few changes to it, I think it's in a state where I'd honestly be okay with uploading it. Which, by the way that the tools work is, well, actually, I kind of already showed it off. But yeah, we have this self.tool list and the update tool list function. Am I blind? There it is, update tools. Self SIO emit. So pretty much the client sends the tool list over to the server using this function, update tools. And if we go into socket server, you'll see that update tools is in here somewhere. There it is. And then we have tools as a thing in here. Or not. I'm stupid. Well, anyways, yeah, we do self.signals tool list. That's right, it's in signals is where we have the tool list right here. And so we update the tool list, and then inside of here, we can see that we got to go down. Here, I then pass in through the OpenAI API since I'm using LM Studio. We pretty much just say, all right, send the tools, send the tool list. You know, we fetch the tool list from signals, and that is the tool list. So if I, let's say, make the tool list empty, that's something I could do. I could make the tool list empty by just going into here. While she's running, I could literally remove all of her tools just by closing the client down, going into here, and just going delete. But yeah, at the moment, I want to keep everything as like switches and whatnot. So we have the image bool, Twitch bool. So I'm going to start adding bools for blue sky and whatnot. And yeah, pretty much as I showed off with this. I mean, ignoring how disgusting it is, I don't know why it looks like this right now. Actually, maybe I do. It should be row 0, shouldn't it? No, it should be row 1. Should it? Is the padding what's wrong? No, that's padded X-wise, but there is no padding on the X, so it can't be that. Oh, is it because row 0 doesn't have a column 2? That's fair, I guess. Alright, fine, we'll add in... Son of a bitch, I hate everything. Command-C, down here, Command-V, thank you. So instead, Twitch chat, we're going to make this self.blue sky underscore switch. Blue sky. And then we just Command C, Command V, Command V, Command V. And we change this to column 2. And we want to change this lambda to, well, first off, we can change this one. But then we need to change this toggle Twitch chat. So we would go into here. Kind of showing off how it works right now. Define toggle underscore blue sky self comma value if value equals 1 self dot self dot blue sky bool equals true. And now we go down here and self dot am I stupid? Minus equals self dot blue sky underscore bool equals true. Yes. Else self dot blue sky bool equals false. There we go. Now going over here, we can do toggle blue sky. Actually, yeah, it's just toggle blue sky, right? Yep, cool. Okay. So now if we run it, control panel, ta-da! Okay, why are they pushed so far over, though? And what is up with this? Why is this one off by a little bit? I hate everything. Oh, you know what? Let me check something here. LM switch, comma. Let's see. Button length, transparent, order, progress, button. Okay, yeah, I see nothing. Okay. I don't know why it's acting like that. The only thing I could think of would be padding this by like 10. 50. Aha! It kind of worked. Let's try 35. 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 30. Hey, that actually worked. Oh god, now this one's off. It's off by like maybe 10 though. It's not a big deal. Say that now, but it's gonna push this one off or some shit, you know? Oh no, they all seem to be good now, I think. I can't tell. Legitimately cannot tell. Okay. I should probably just stop recording at this point. Gone over everything. But yeah, so yeah, pretty much just while she's running, I can just go like, "Oh, you know what? I don't want you talking." Or I don't want you posting anything to Blue Sky. Boom. And I can just turn it off and it will be disabled, and pretty much all that will happen is she'll be told up here we have the where is it? This action cannot be completed as has been disabled by Ratman. So I think, oh, you know what? I just realized something. I want to do a if, so for a result, if status equals failure, you know? Result if, or yeah, no, never mind. You know what? Fuck it. I don't give enough of a shit. She'll just say this action cannot be completed, has been disabled by Ratman. She'll just say that, and that's fine. I don't care. I don't care enough to change it. It's a very simple fix, but I don't give enough of a shit right now. I've dealt with too much coding today. I'm tired. I'm tired, boss. But yeah. So yeah. I I'm proud of myself for figuring this out. I never thought I would learn how to make a server and client through Python, but here the fuck we are. I both hate it and I love it. It's like I like learning new things, but the pain that this has put me through is 100% worth it. I love coding. But still at this moment in time I've gone insane. I'll be good tomorrow, but right now I'm not good. There's nothing good going on here. But yeah. So yeah, I'll probably add a couple more things before I decide to upload it. AKA I'm never uploading it. I'm never uploading it to GitHub. And you want to know why? Because I'm stupid. It's because whenever I make things like this is what happens. I make it and I'm like, okay, I've reached a point where it's good enough to send out. I should send it out. But then I'm like, but I can make it better. So then I make it better. And then I'm like, okay, it's good now. I can send it out. But I could make it better. So I never end up putting out anything I make because I'm just constantly making it better and adding more features. And yeah, I have problems. Well, anyways, that's it for this video, I guess. See you guys in the next one. Peace.